Hello my beautiful friends, I am back, and I am back with my November's Boxycharm base box unboxing. And for this month we have It's Giving Giftable GLAM. Okay, so that's the theme of the month. It's Giving Giftable GLAM. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and the first thing I see, my choice for this month was the Midi palette Face It from Ofra. Okay. Okay. So it's the Midi palette from Ofra, and this is a face Midi palette from Ofra Cosmetics. Bring the vacate to your, it says bring the vacate to you with the curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. This palette features buildable matte contours and soft shimmer bronzers perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tones. $35 retail value. Okay, so, but why does this have shimmer in it? Yeah, why does the bronzer have shimmer in it? Doesn't sculpt, warm, and highlight. My contours and shimmer bronzers. Who does bronzers with shimmers? I don't get it. Anyway, I don't see nobody doing bronzers with shimmers. Doesn't make no sense. Anyway. Okay, it's called San Fran, Rodeo Drive, and Pacifica. Those are the names of the three shades that are in here. Rodeo Drive is the highlighter. It's not like I'm never gonna wear them because I don't wear shimmer. I'm sorry that I just put it there, and it retails for $35. Okay, and then we got the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Oh yes, I love this. I love Saturday Skin. I'm gonna open it. I'm not gonna, just want to see the container. I love skincare. When it comes to skincare, yes. Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Okay. Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand. Using all 4 fingers, apply in a outward circular motion. Tap in the moisturizer into skin. Unveil your luminosity. Saturday Skin. This is an amazing brand. Saturday Skin. So, and that Saturday Skin retails at $57. This retails for $57. This goes to my skincare drawer. Then we have the Realher Metallic Eyeliner Duo. Okay. Right here, the Realher Metallic Eyeliner Duo. This creamy, buildable formulation glides without tugging or pulling at the eyelids. Suitable for any eye color. Its metallic finish is also waterproof and will last on your waterline. Create defining lines or smudges to finish off a smoky look. Wear alone to add the perfect pop to your eye, or use to complete your look and accentuate your eyes. $30 retail value. Metallic Eyeliner Duo. Let's see. I just want to open to see. Doesn't want to open. Okay, let's open this way. My lips are burning from the aguardiente. Oh, okay. Okay, we got a blue one. And we have a bronze one and we have a blue one. Okay. I am creative, resilient, and creative. Okay. Okay, so I go to my eyeliner drawer. $30 retail value. The Luna Magic Beauty Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. PETA approved. Velvet lip liner. Ciatè. No, this is not it. Luna Magic Mango and Cherry. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm so bad in opening boxes. Yeah. Oh. Okay, so we got the mango. And these are Luna Magic Beauty Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. $16 retail value. A hydrating sheer lightweight lip balm that leaves lips soft and lush, infused with vitamin E to nourish lips, and formulate with jojoba oil to heal dry lips and helps lack in moisture. $16 retail value for these two. So this one is in mango, this one is in cherry. Great. Say adios to dry lips. Say adios to dry lips. Thank us later, babe. Besitos. This is cute. I just want to see. No mango. Ooh. So it's not a... Okay, it's a thick gloss. It definitely smells like Vaseline. It doesn't smell like mango. And let's see the cherry one. So of course it's red. It smells... I'll taste like it. It smells like cherry, but it doesn't taste like cherry. Okay, so definitely then those are $16 retail value. And last but not least, the Ciatè London. The Ciatè London Velvet Lip Liner. Okay. And this one is in the color, doesn't say. Achieve velvety soft lips with this liner. The soft, matte, intensely pigmented formula glides effortlessly onto your lips to perfectly define and reshape your lips. The perfect pout to every in just a stroke away. That's a pretty color. It doesn't say the color either. Yeah, it doesn't say. No color. Cocoa. That's the color. It's a very pretty color. Okay, so that is everything I received for this box, guys. Okay, so I got my Ofra Face Midi palette, which I'm going to put in the giveaway. If somebody wants that, is going to receive it. I just touched it real quick. I did not mess with it. The Saturday Skin Probiotic. The moisturizer, the Realher Eyeliner Duos, the Luna Magic lip balms, and the Ciatè London lip liner. So that's everything that was in my box. And no. Okay, and this is what I got from the drop shop. I picked up the Pericone MD Cold Plasma Plus, the serum, advanced serum concentrate. Yep. So I picked up the Pericone MD. That's the serum. I picked up the Pericone MD, the eye cream. As you guys know, I know they smell a little iffy, but I love the Pericone MD. And then I got the eye cream, which I didn't have that before. And then I picked up more moisturizer because I'm running low. Okay, so this is everything I picked up from the Pericone MD from the drop shop. So I didn't want to go crazy because I knew I wanted to make purchases from the VIB. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell, and remember, my giveaway is up now. So I'll see you in my next one. Have a beautiful, blessed night. Bye bye.